Hi, welcome to HubSpot 101, the video series where I show you useful tips and tricks based on basic HubSpot features. And for today's video, I would like to talk about how to send an email to a previously bounced contact. So what you should understand is when you send email marketing and at some point one recipient bounced, so it means his email address was not valid, so he didn't receive your communication, HubSpot will mark it here as bounced. I would love to show you a real email sending with real bounce value, but if I show you real data, YouTube will block my video. So if it happens, all the recipients that have bounced will be listed under that specific tab. And the thing to understand about it is as soon as one recipient has been marked as bounced once, HubSpot will not send any more email to him. And if you try to send another mail, it will end up in not sent, and the reason of not sent will be previously bounced. So bouncing emails can happen because there is a mistyping of the email address, for instance, and for some reason you manage to find the good email of the specific contact, but it will still be marked as bounced, so it will not receive his email. A way to solve it is simply to go to the specific contact record that have this bouncing problem. You will see here a blue box saying this contact has bounced previously. You will just need to click here to edit his email address, save it, and in this blue box with contact as bounced, click on the unbounce button. When those two steps are done, you will be able to send a mail to this contact again. I hope this video was useful. If it's the case, don't forget to put a thumbs up and to subscribe to this channel to make sure you don't miss the next videos. If you want to have a deeper knowledge on how to set up your HubSpot portal, you can find in the description below a link to my ultimate guide to HubSpot setup, which is a free training of more than 40 videos that will teach you how to optimize your HubSpot setup. It was Greg, I wish you a good day and see you soon.